This is the DC motor back EMF and RPM interactive calculator, which determines motor performance parameters based on electrical and mechanical inputs. The calculator requires 5 input fields. First, enter the supply voltage in volts. This is your DC power source voltage. Second, input the motor resistance in ohms, the internal electrical resistance of your motor windings. Third, provide the keyback EMF constant in volts per RPM. This relates motor speed to generated voltage. Fourth, enter the load torque in Newton meters, the mechanical load on your motor shaft. Finally, input the KT torque constant in Newton meters per amp. This relates current to torque production. Let's work through an example. With supply voltage at 10 volts, motor resistance at 10 ohms, keyback EMF constant at 10 volts per RPM, load torque at 10 Newton meters, and KT torque constant at 10 Newton meters per amp, clicking Calculate Motor Parameters gives us 3 results. The back EMF is 0.00 volts, indicating the motor is stalled under this heavy load. Motor RPM is 0, confirming no rotation. Current draw is 1,000 amp, showing the motor draws maximum current when stalled. This calculator helps you analyze motor behavior under various operating conditions. Find the link in the description below.